Yo guys, what's going on? Welcome back to Tech Motorsports. As you guys can see, it is starting to get pretty cold here. Leaves are falling. We're just outside Toronto, Canada. But yeah, anyways, we got the exhaust done on our 03 GTI, which I'm super stoked about. So we're going to be doing today just basic sound clips. I'm not going to be talking too much about it, but letting you guys know what the setup is on it. It's kind of a weird custom setup I had put on there. So yeah, let's get a cold start video going on, and then we'll find a nice parking lot that's kind of away from everyone. I don't want to make too much noise on it, but yeah, I'm really looking forward to it, and I hope you guys enjoy it. Guys, so I hope you guys can hear me. Yeah, we're just cruising around right now just to get the temperature up a little bit for the oil. Very yeah, low driving right now, nothing too crazy. So I have the windows cracked, both of them cracked just a little bit, but really honestly the drone for what we're rocking right now, this is a kind of a custom turbo back that's on it, is really not that loud at all. I mean, externally it might sound a lot different, but as far as on the inside here, it's awesome. Really, I can actually hear myself talk. I can hear the radio if I turn it on. I can hear, you know, any sort of sirens and any of that other important stuff that's on the road. So I'm gonna put the windows up here because it's freezing out today. But anyways, so yeah, we have ourselves just a custom turbo back with the mixture of 3-inch exhaust and 2.5-inch exhaust. So what I'm gonna do is we're gonna find ourselves just a little parking lot around here that I can pull over, get out, kind of get underneath the car as much as I can. But yeah, in the meantime, just kind of relax and we'll go for a bit of a ride. Alright guys, so yeah, we just went for a rip around just to kind of get everything up to temperature. But there she is, Das Boot. She's off the driveway and on the street. Still drives like ass, I will admit. The brakes are pretty messed up. The alignment's off a bit, but that's all part of the game, right? We're going to be fixing that probably after the winter. We got headlights all sanded up. But yeah, anyway, so the exhaust. Finally got it done. So it's a custom application that we did. We obviously took off our stock one. It was all rotted away. And then for the downpipe, we used a 3-inch catless downpipe from Milltek. So yeah, 3-inch catless downpipe from Milltek. You guys saw the video. It fits absolutely awesome. I'm very excited about it. The section at the tail of it that goes down to 2.5 inches, we actually ended up cutting. And then we took my race cat, so my Vband race cat, it was a high flow cat, was actually on this. So this was the exhaust that I had on the iRock, little side action there. Yeah, it was kind of sitting right here, so you can see where we cut it off. We built that into the downpipe. So essentially we took our 3-inch to 2.5-inch catless downpipe and made it a full 3-inch downpipe with a high flow cat for a fraction of the cost of what they go for new. And then after that, we ended up installing just a little bullet muffler. So it's a stainless steel 3-inch muffler from Vband. And when I mean bullet, guys, like it's just a small little perforated can. And the whole goal of that was, it's a muffler, and as long as it's a muffler application, then for the rules, I should be able to get away with it. And at the same time, it kind of keeps some of the rasp down. But yeah, so let's kind of take a look if we can. See if you guys can see it. Oh, it's so cold out. There we go. So if you guys can see, there's the end of the downpipe right there. So Top Gear Automotive is the shop in Cambridge that did this for me. They did an unreal job. I'm actually super excited about it. But yeah, so pretty much we installed our cat, and then the back section here that was 2.5 inches. So if you can see right there, the stock downpipe, or not the stock downpipe, but the Milltek downpipe actually went to about pretty much to where this little subframe is. And it was like 2.5 inches, and it also had that secondary O2 sensor bung in it. So what Top Gear did is we actually cut that section out, took the bung out, and we put the new bung over there. So now I'm actually able to run an air fuel ratio gauge that I have from the Camaro project, and with it being a lot closer to the actual motor, I should get better readings on it. But yeah, so there's the downpipe, and then you can see those are V-bands, baby. No more flanges, no more gaskets, no more bolts, just a nice stainless steel V-band. 3 inches all the way back. And then if you look, there's our little bullet muffler. So 3 inches, and it's yeah, just perforated, which means that instead of having like your traditional like cherry bomb or I mean Flowmaster like outlaw mufflers or whatever, there's no like loops in it to kind of like change the sound up. It actually has these little tiny holes which quiet it down. So but yeah, there it is right there, nice and welded. 3 inches again. We're stainless steel 3 inch all the way back. And then if you look, you can see that we go into our 2.5 inch right here to go over our hump. And then we have our other V-band right there. So if I have any issues at the track, for whatever reason, I can undo this V-band, and I can undo the V-band over there. I can drop this whole center section right down. I can take that tail section off, no problem. And then I have just the downpipe over there to worry about. So yeah, and then if we go to the back of the car, this is where the fun begins. There's our tip. So this is actually the tip that was originally on my Camaro. It's just a 3-inch tip. Kind of got that trucker long tube look to it, but yeah, I don't know the brand of it, but it was yeah, the tailpipe that was on it. And then you can see, there we go, all the way. So yeah, I kind of kicked it out a little bit. I didn't want to go too crazy with it or have it shooting up in the air and stuff like that, but yeah guys, I'm really happy with the exhaust. Top Gear Automotive, like I said, they're the guys that did it. I mean, vibrant parts all the way around, Milltek exhaust. So yeah, let's fire it up, get some good sound clips for you guys. So yeah guys, there you go, not bad. Yeah, like I said, it's pretty quiet actually inside, really. You can hear our, what's it called? So there's our oil cooler, our external oil cooler with the fan rolling down on it. But yeah, overall, man, I'm pretty damn happy about it, that's for sure. Sounds very crisp, very fresh, and you know what I mean, I haven't really heard much of it from the outside. I hope it's not too raspy, but yeah, I'm pretty excited about it. So again, if you guys skipped everything just so you guys can hear the sound of it, which I usually do for a lot of the other people's videos, it's a 3-inch Milltek catless downpipe with a built-in, custom built-in 3-inch vibrant race cat, and then we're going 3-inch again to the back, about midway, maybe 3/4 of the way, into a stainless steel vibrant muffler, just a bullet muffler, and then 2.5 inches over the hump to my old school Camaro exhaust tip there, and then yeah, all the way out. So again, I really got to thank Top Gear Exhaust, or Top Gear Automotive in Cambridge, for doing the work. Yeah, check them out on Facebook as well as Instagram, and then Das Parts for the advice to go there. Really can't thank them enough for that. But anyways guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope this helps anyone that wants to do kind of a custom exhaust for not just any MK4, but anything that rocking kind of a 1.8 turbo type of vibe to it. So yeah, thanks again guys, appreciate it. Yeah, the car's gonna be going away for storage now, so this video might even hit you guys in December. But yeah, don't be afraid to check me out on Instagram at MaxTac Motorsports. DM us, man. DM us your car with some specs and stuff, so we can get some cars out there. I like everything, honestly, everything from old school classics to stance boys, to drift guys, to drag racing. I don't care what it is, just I want to appreciate every part of the car culture that we have. So again, thanks for watching another video. Leave a comment, subscribe. If you have any questions regarding the exhaust at all, I'm going to try to do the best I can to put every part number down for you guys. And yeah, take care and stay safe.